Welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. Here in this video I cover all the troubleshooting solutions for your Apple Watch activity issues. There are plenty of activity app settings are on your iPhone watch app for your Apple Watch that you must check. Check that you are wearing your watch sufficiently snugly on the top of your wrist. If it is worn too loosely, your watch may believe that it has been removed from your wrist. Also unlock the watch. Without remove lock screen passcode you can't access or Apple Watch won't notify any notifications related to your activity. The second solution enables the option for detect gym equipment. WatchOS compatible gym equipment. You can quickly start recording your workout or sync data to Apple Watch after the workout ends. Go to the Watch app on iPhone, tap on Workout option, scroll to detect gym equipment and turn on this option. The third solution is to enable wrist dictation on Apple Watch, so your watch can identify before you start the workout. Go to the Watch app on iPhone, next tap on Passcode and Scroll to wrist detection. Enable the option. Enable motion and fitness tracking so we can record our movement to our iPhone if Apple Watch is not with us or low battery. This motion and fitness option is also working with your Apple Watch. Open Settings app on iPhone, tap on Privacy and scroll to Motion and Fitness option. Enable fitness tracking. That's it. Now also enable fitness tracking on your Apple Watch from iPhone Watch app. Open Watch app on iPhone, scroll to Privacy and enable fitness tracking toggle. That's it. Apple Watch track your activity and suggestion on workout based on your health data that's saved on your iPhone. Open Watch app on your iPhone, tap on Health option. Tap on Edit option and check your body data is correct or entered or not. Now I'm going to show how to use Workout app on Apple Watch that Apple made for record different types of a workout during the gym. Total 12 plus without formats is pre-ready. Open Apple Watch home screen by a tap on the digital crown button. Tap on Workout app and find all widget. I am with elliptical, tap on more option to get extra control like push, and or lock anytime during the workout. Different workout like outdoor run, outdoor cycle has different options like limit for calorie burn, distant, notification on complete. All running workout, you can directly access from Apple Watch from the top center corner of your Apple Watch screen. Some Apple Watch users are enable workout saving mode because of Apple Watch battery life. So they are recording wrong data. Enable it. Go to Watch app on iPhone, next tap on General and tap on Workout Power Saving Mode. Final solution is erase Apple Watch settings and content. You can do it from Apple Watch or from iPhone. Now also enable fitness tracking on your Apple Watch from iPhone Watch app. Open Watch app on iPhone, scroll to privacy and enable fitness tracking toggle. That's it. Now also enable fitness tracking on your Apple Watch from iPhone Watch app. Open Watch app on iPhone, scroll to privacy and enable fitness tracking toggle. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button and tap on bell icon to get the latest video notifications alert. Also be sure to follow on social media and we'll see in the next video.